Hey all, Ash here at the Red Rock Ranch, and today all this good stuff is going to be made into fire cider.
And fire cider is a super pungent concoction made up of apple cider vinegar.
And Heather's going to say what these all are.
Garlic, cayenne, cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, onion, lemon, orange, elderberries, star anise, clove, and dried rosemary, and horseradish.
Alright, and yeah, the horseradish just came out of the garden. So she's going to get all this prepared and show you how it goes from there. Oh, this is looking so good. Look at all those chunks. Go ahead and throw those. What berries are these again? Oh yeah, elderberries. Elderberries by themselves are pretty powerful, aren't they? Onion, the garlic, horseradish, ginger, turmeric, all that good stuff's in there. We're going to add the citrus next. And then fill with vinegar. Oh yeah, that looks good. So what all would you take fire cider for?
Whole flu season, every day for health.
I know I had kidney stones coming on, and she had me taking shots of fire cider. And the kidney stone problems, they're gone. Knock on wood. That looks so good. Okay, this is going to sit 6 to 8 weeks, and then we'll strain off all that solid. And then we'll have some cider to put on the counter, and we'll have fire cider anytime we need it.
Oh yeah, this batch is looking so good. This is a super powerful herbal remedy that was come up by Rosemarry Gladstar in the late 70s, and it's been used by thousands of people since then. Super strong. Give it a try. Let us know how it turns out.